4 must-try home-style Greek eats in Athens, addresses and prices included. Craving authentic Greek comfort food in Athens? Let's dive into 4 top spots serving up generous, home-style goodness. First up, Tau Omicron Sigma Pi Iota Tau Iota Kappa Phi Alpha Gamma Eta Tau in Nu Kappa Alpha Iota Alpha. Think stuffed gemista and classic moussaka for just €7.50 each. Don't miss their schnitzel with a side for €8.50. Located at Petro Rally 144, this spot nails hearty portions that satisfy your soul and wallet. Next, Tau Omicron Sigma Pi Iota Tau Iota Kappa Phi Alpha Gamma Eta Tau in Alpha Mu Pi Epsilon Lambda Kappa Eta Pi Omicron Iota is your weekday go-to with rotating mains like pasticcio and stifato between €7 and €9. Find them at Doskalaki 10, with side dishes starting around €4. Perfect for exploring tasty Greek staples on a budget. Want a cozy vibe? Ovli Restaurant in Exarchia is a converted family home serving seasonal dishes made with true Meraki, love and care. Expect mains priced around €8 to €12 at Mathanas 43. It's the perfect blend of tradition and soul in every bite. Last but not least, Spitiki Kozina offers fresh, nutritious home-cooked meals under €12, ideal for pickup or catering. Whether you're ordering in or grabbing to go, these spots are your golden ticket to wholesome, budget-friendly Greek flavors. Ready for a taste adventure? Hit these addresses, dive into menus online, and bring delicious home-style Greek cooking to your day.